Ben Collins showed there are 3 ways to audit your formulas in a Google Sheet. 1. In the formula bar. 2. From the View menu, and 3. With a formula text function. Let's explore them with this example. I've used formulas to count units of measure. The first way is super easy. In the formula bar, click into a cell with a formula, and you can see the formula in the formula bar. But what if, in order to more easily audit and compare formulas, you need them to all show at once? Here's the second way. Click into a cell with a formula to select it, and of course you'll see the formula in the formula bar. With the cell selected, click View in the top menu. Hover over Show, and click Formulas. Now, no matter where the formulas were in the sheet, they will all show as formulas and not as the results of the formulas. Note: you may have to resize cells to see entire formulas. Having the formulas all show is great for auditing formulas, but not so great if you also need the formula results to show. The third way allows you to see the results of the formula as well as the formula at the same time. It uses the formula text function. Start with a click into a cell where you want to show the formula without affecting the formula's result. In the following formula, the designated cell is whatever cell has the result in it. So in this example, type equals, formula text, left parenthesis, E3, right parenthesis. Again, depending how you set up the original data, you might have to resize the cells to see the entire formula. To do this, with your mouse, click and drag the edge of a column header, then drop the handle to allow the whole formula to appear. Repeat using the formula equals, formula text, left parenthesis, the designated cell, right parenthesis, anywhere you want a formula from another cell to show. Resize the cell area if you need to do so. That's it, you're done. You have 3 ways to show formulas in your sheets. Thanks again to Ben Collins for inspiring these tutorials.